Hey guys, we're gonna go over the recap for the session of today, January 21st, 2026. Again, let's go to the 1 hour time frame so we can start seeing what exactly was the game plan for today. Again, today I didn't follow my routine, so therefore I was just not at 100% of my game. However, I could have taken like some of the setups that presented today. I could have taken it 100%. I could have done that, but it's okay. I mean, it is what it is. Sometimes stuff happens, so not really a big issue. Okay, guys. So let's go over what happened. Let me get rid of the BWAP right here. So again, we're on this gap right here from the tariffs. And today was actually a pretty bullish day. Actually, from the pre-market, since the start of the pre-market, we had this engulfing candle right here on the 1 hour. And my plan was either we touch this higher time frame demand level over here, or even this one right here. I was thinking of going a little bit more bearish today, just because I didn't know what was gonna happen with Trump today. So I mean, like, we have to wait for him at this point. Okay, guys. So first trade of the day that could have happened was after literally probably like about an hour and a half. Market open at 8:30, well, 8:30 my time, so about an hour and a half. This could have been the first trade. Actually, like, patience is a virtue, honestly. So if we go right here on the 1 minute time frame, we go ahead and we pass this level right here, then we go bullish, and then we touch this supply level right here. Okay, at this time. Okay, now after we touch that supply level, we start seeing a lot of selling pressure. And as you can see right here on the CVD, which I'm gonna show you right now, like right here on the, you can start seeing how this is going on a downtrend right here, and then this one goes up, but then it starts going slowly down. Okay, so that's a good sign of a bearish setup. However, I was just not ready yet to take a setup there, just because, I mean, it didn't really touch the level or anything like that. So I was just like, okay, I gotta wait a little bit longer. Okay, so my plan was like, as soon as I see price approaching this level right here, I'm gonna go ahead and enter. I didn't enter because, I don't know, for whatever reason. It doesn't matter. I need to I need to be more disciplined. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and check out the book map over here, and we're gonna see exactly what happened. So we get this engulfing candle right here at 1028 right here, and right there when I saw that engulfing candle, I was like, okay, if we start getting the next candles bearish, like, I'm gonna go in regardless. So a good entry would have been right here, like before even the candle entered. I mean, before the candle closed, or even after the candle closed right here, this one, it could have been a really great entry right here. And honestly, like, we could have gotten a really good risk to reward. Honestly, like, we could have gotten a really nice risk to reward. And we start seeing these orders right here. Let me go ahead and speed it up even more. So like right there, I would have gone in. Honestly, I would have gone in right there. Look at that. It's just eating those orders away. Right there, I would have gone in. Honestly, at that point, it's just like, it's game over. Like, there is no way we're gonna go up. Yeah, and there is more orders and more orders going towards the downside, as you can see right there. Look at that. So Yeah, I have more than enough time to go ahead and enter this trade, honestly. And it would have been a really great trade. So that would have been the first trade of the day. Second trade of the day, after everybody realized that tariffs is something that is not going to be something that Trump is going to impose or anything like that, then we get this bullish run, and then we get to this supply level right here, which is at 69.38 to 69.33. And check out what happens right here on this with the delta right here. So we get this one right here, and then we have this one, which is almost just as the price is almost the same. It's pretty much the same. If anything, this one is a little bit higher than this one. But look at what's happening here. This one is flat, or well, relatively flat. And look at this one. This one has a huge divergence right here. And then we're also going to confirm it right here with the Bookmap. This happened around 11:51 to 2 p.m. So it was later in the afternoon. So yeah, like it was later in the afternoon. And honestly, like just right here looking at the Bookmap as well. Let me slow it down a little bit. I mean, I could see that all of the orders were towards the downside. And we start seeing it right there. It's trying to, like, there is a lot of selling. Buyers are not able to push the price up. And then eventually it just starts falling down. Then we get that double top right there. That's the double top. And then boom, it starts falling. It just falls. So a good entry that we could have taken is as soon as we got in, and then we saw the some of that buying being trapped right here on the next two candles right here. For example, right there, watch the next candle being formed on the Bookmap, and seeing like these orders right here. Even though like just seeing that right there, like just seeing that right there, like yeah, like if it eats through them right there, that right there, it could have been right there. 1406, 206. It could have been a great entry at 206. Let me see where it is. 206 right here. It could have been a great entry. It could have been a great entry. Zero drawdown, nothing much going on. It could have been a perfect entry right there. And honestly, like this one could have been a little quick 3-1, or even I think this one could have been a 7-1. Yeah, it could have been a 7-1, honestly. Could have been the perfect entry. And if we take a look at it, it would have taken one contract. Could have been 1050. Would have been a perfect trade right there. But yeah, guys, that's the trade recap for today. I missed the first opportunity of the day just because, again, I have not been disciplined. I was just not on my game today, so and I gotta change my habits because I am showing up every day, and my analysis is good. I know where to enter, but I don't know. It's just my discipline. It's just my discipline. Gotta be a lot more disciplined with it. But anyways, guys, thank